I'm to the point now, we're gonna be doing t-shirt giveaways. And as this channel grows, we're gonna start giving away parts. We're gonna start giving away cash towards our products. So you guys gotta comment, you gotta like these videos. Just show us the support back, and we're gonna be giving stuff away.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. All right, guys, Thursday morning. I wasn't even gonna post this thing. I was gonna wait. I was gonna get this thing completely done. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it, fuck it. Anyway, I'm so excited about this build. I had to make a video and show you guys the progress on this awesome CR500 build. So you guys might remember when we got some bikes delivered a couple weeks, actually about a month ago. I'll insert a clip of that. We had some brand new 2022 bikes delivered. Those bikes delivered, we decided we were going to do a 500 build. So Cody had a motor for sale online. The thing was super clean, and I've never seen a guy document an engine build like he did. So I was confident in purchasing this engine from the guy, and he got it to me, and I'm super impressed with it. So haven't heard it run yet, but other than that, man, I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess turn the camera around and show you guys what we got going on so far. And you might notice a little change of scenery. We completely ran out of room, so we got the unit next door for now. This is gonna be our new assembly bay, and we got a water jet coming later today, so that's going next door. So stay tuned for that video too. All right, guys, so we got a 2022 CR500R. Talk about an expensive ass build. I mean, I'll just show you. I got the engine from it just chilling over here. Brand new, never ran. I got all the parts all toted up over on the pallet racking right there. But yeah, so all we used from that bike was the forks, the frame, the rear shock, the linkage, obviously the gas tank. Other than that, I mean, this thing is completely built by us. I mean, we did our full trike conversion kit on here, from the billet triples, the swing arm, the subframe, all that good stuff. And if you guys have actually been paying attention to our channel, you'll notice we do a bolt-in kit for the CR500 motor also. That's a whole other product line. Now that includes like the radiators, the billet block off on the tank, because you're going from fuel injected to gravity fed. We've got the billet cradle, and that requires basically just a bolt-in deal. There's no welding, which is amazing. I'm trying to simplify everything for you guys, so the DIY guys that do all this stuff at home, they're not paying somebody to do all these crazy swaps all the time. Just honestly, just trying to simplify everything. Might get a little hate for that from the guys at Weld Frames, but sorry, I saw an opening and wanted to make it happen. So we're pumped to have bolt-in kits now. Got the head stay on there, SV pipe on here. I just did the mid pipe last night, got that all set up for the trike. Thumb throttle conversion. I put a tether switch on here, hydraulic clutch. Anyway, guys, I'm super pumped about this. Like I was saying, we got a water jet coming later today, so I am going to be a little bit delayed in getting this thing started up. So I'm going to say probably tomorrow we'll have a startup video, and then the following day this thing should be mostly finalized. So I'm going to do my best to get that done with all the chaos that's going on in the background. But yeah, other than the water jet, we got a couple CNC machines coming too. So this place is filling up fast, and we're trying to get our other building built that's going to be bigger than this and have more space. So we're hanging in there. We're reading all your comments. We're appreciating all the likes, all the shares. I mean, you guys, it's unbelievable the phone calls we're getting from all over the world. I mean, we got guys just wanting these things. We're shipping kits all over the world and bikes. So super excited. Anyway, guys, just to show our thanks, we are starting to get to the point. We have ads on our videos. You guys know that. I know you guys hate going through ads, but this is allowing us to start giving away product. So I'm to the point now, we're going to be doing t-shirt giveaways. And as this channel grows, we're going to start giving away parts. We're going to start giving away cash towards our products. So you guys got to comment. You got to like these videos. Just show us the support back, and we're going to be giving stuff away. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to switch over to a t-shirt giveaway. Before I do that, I'm going to insert some slow-mo clips of this bad boy right here, and then after that, we're going to have a t-shirt giveaway at the end of this video. So stay tuned, guys. Hello? Hello? T-shirt giveaway time.
T-shirt giveaway time?
You know how to copy paste a link from a video?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Huh?
1 second. Dude, we're doing a t-shirt giveaway. We don't got time to move your forks for you.
All right.
Sorry. One of you guys is doing it. All right, go on Google. Type in random comment picker. I believe it was the last video.
Yeah, 2 days ago?
Yep.
What's the URL at?
Share. Copy. Check copy. There you go. All right, guys. Let's see who won a t-shirt.
48 comments?
48 comments.
J Mud.
J Mud, is the headlight switch pre-drilled? We do pre-drill it on our newer headlights.
Yes.
And you're getting a t-shirt. So head over to bbcoffroad.com, grab our contact info, and we'll get you a shirt.
Sweet.